Hi everyone, I'm Anna from Wolters Kluwer CCH Tagetik. Welcome to our series Ask and Solve Financial Consolidation Solution Software. Now, we've been actually collecting a lot of questions from financial professionals, and today we're here to tackle them and answer them using our CCH Tagetik Financial Close and Consolidation Software. So let's dive in. Now, here's one of the questions we often got asked, and we would like to discuss that today. The question is, how do we gain greater transparency around all the adjustment posted as a part of the consolidation process? Now, as we know, as an organization, there are tens and hundreds of companies under the group located in different countries and regions, and especially they would prepare their own local GL or financial statements, which is likely to be different from what's required from the group consolidation. Now, this often creates a lot of manual work for individual companies and financial users, right? To adjust our local GL from different London adjustments, IFRS adjustments, GAAP adjustments, or even other type of adjustments like transfer pricing every single month. Now, when I look at the reports, how do I know, like, for this final number, what is the amount of my original amount? What is the amount that has been adjusted? Does company A and company B have different adjustments? So how do we segregate all these different type of differences in our data? So to explain this, let me just quickly share my screen so you can have a look. Help you visualize what I'm talking about. Now, Tagetik has the category dimension, which you can see as a sort of a label to label your data. So you can have as much label as you want to tag the source or the amount of your data. Now, for instance, you have your general ledger as a original amount. Then on top, you have made different changes due to accounting principles like IFRS adjustments or even GAAP adjustments, or some other kind of data processing that we perform like cost allocation, or even financial consolidation like IC eliminations or FI eliminations, or even minority interest, and etc. Now with this, it gives you the power to analyze. When I look at the final number, 11, I know exactly it comes from 4 different categories and what adjustment has been done. If I want to look at a report, just maybe 3 type of categories, excluding, let's say, cost allocation, then I can easily pinpoint the categories and get my amount in the reporting. Essentially, the more categories you use, the more power of analysis you can leverage here. Okay, now I'm in CCH Tagetik, where everything is guided by a user-friendly workflow per steps, and you can maintain this differently for each of your companies. Now, in here, you have a dedicated workflow for supplementary information and journal entry. So once all your journal entry adjustment has been done either manually, passed in automatically, or through integration and etc., we can access all these adjustments in the report by clicking here. Now, I can choose to open it from web or Excel, depending on user preference. In here, the filter will pop up first, where I can choose the grouping of my categories. So here I have IFRS reporting, which have a combination of these 4 categories. And GAAP reporting, I have a combination of other 4 categories that I've selected to put under this grouping. So now I'm just going to choose IFRS grouping for the reporting. And immediately I will see all those selected categories listed side by side. So I know what's my original GL passed in, any adjustments, month-end adjustments, IFRS related adjustments journals, and my final IFRS reporting. Now, if I want to have a look at other types of reports, then I can just select my filter here and just refresh the reports. Now, this is the entity level data adjustments for each of our companies. Now, once this is done and we have run our consolidation, we go to the consolidated statements reports. Now, in here, again, we can see all our companies' trial balances side by side, but also the summary of our adjustments at the entity level. Now, in this report, we put a sum, but essentially you can break it down like what we have just shown in the previous reports. For the consolidation journals, we can also break down by categories here so you can see exactly what is our intercompany eliminations, financial eliminations, NCI, dividend, profit and stock eliminations. Or if you're doing management consolidation, you can add management adjustments here as well. So in Tagetik, we do both legal and management consolidation. And you can also do comparison reports to see what are the differences between your legal and management consolidation. Now, with all this, it will make all your reporting easier to audit and easier to drill down to see the journals inside. So I hope you found that helpful. Now, if you have any specific questions about consolidation that you'd like us to cover in our next video, just scan the QR code here and reach out to us anytime. Thank you for watching.